Hello children, welcome to Mickey Mini Learning Hub. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn about herbs. Herbs are plants with fragrance or aroma. It is used for flavoring food items. Herbs have lot of medicinal value and it's good for health. Shall we see about the list of various herbs today? Okay, let's start. The first herb is rosemary. This is called rosemary. The next one is cilantro. This is called cilantro. The next herb is mint. This is called mint. The next one is oregano. This herb is called oregano. The next herb is thyme. This herb is called thyme. The next herb is sage. This is called sage. The next herb is basil. This is called basil. The next herb is parsley. This is called parsley. The next herb is dill. This is called dill. The next herb is chives. This is called chives. Children, shall we revise the herb's name once again? Okay, repeat with me. First one is rosemary, mint, thyme, cilantro, sage, oregano, basil, parsley, dill, and chives. Hope you all enjoyed the video today. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like and share this video. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.